Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. And today's video is going to be all about skincare, what I use and how I apply all of my skincare for the daytime and how I take off my makeup and do my skincare for the nighttime. So if you guys are interested in this skincare kind of video, then please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so I brought you in a little closer and I put my hair out of the way so you guys can see the face. Let me tell you a little bit about my skin type just so you guys can be aware. I am oily to combination. I do have an oily T-zone and I am pretty normal in the outer part of my face. I do have some sunspots that I have that are just getting a little bit more like pronounced as I am getting older. I'm 42 years old and I don't have any dryness around my face unless it gets cool here, which is really rare, where I do experience a little bit of dryness, but usually I'm just oily to combination, normal overall when it comes to the outer part of my face. I do have some fine lines around my lips that are just being a little bit more pronounced as I am getting older, but yeah, those are really the areas of concerns. I don't have any breakouts. Whenever I do break out, it's really just once a month during that time of the month. But that's it. So the first thing that I want to show you is this right here, which is the face wash that I really enjoy. I did get this in a little kit and I am ready to like just purchase the full size as soon as this is done, which is almost done. This one is from Tatcha and it is the rice wash. It is really mild, so it does exfoliate your skin, but it's not super harsh. It's like really gentle on your skin and just makes my skin look really nice and just feels like it's clean, which I absolutely love. So I'm very picky with my cleanser. If it's too harsh and I feel like it's stripping my face, I will absolutely like completely throw it away right away. But if I feel like it's not doing its job, like it's too mild, then again, just very picky with my cleansers. And this one right here is absolutely beautiful. The next step that I do is spray my face, and this is a must for me. I have to spray my face with some kind of liquid, like whether it's even like just dabbing water into my skin again before I go in with my serum. I must do this because I feel like the serum and everything else just sink into your skin a little bit better than when you don't have anything at all. So I absolutely love this one right here, which is from Glow Recipe, and this is a repurchase. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and I wish that the mist wasn't so fine, to be quite frank with you, just because I feel like I am spraying my face just to feel it. But I do love this one a lot. I also love the one from Leaf so much, but I ran out of that one, so this one is my current favorite. So the scent is not super potent. It's not going to be like bothersome in my experience. It doesn't bother me at all. But this is what I love to do before I go in with my serum. And the serum that I've been using for daytime is this one from Drunk Elephant, which is the C Firma Fresh Day Serum. And I love this one. So it actually comes in a little kit that you actually have to put together. And I love it. I love so many products from Drunk Elephant. It just works so well with my skin. And this is one of them. I just use one pump. That was a whole pump. And it feels a little like greasy, but it sinks into your skin so nicely that you definitely don't feel it. You do not become oily or anything like that. It just has a greasy texture. It just goes into your skin so nicely and it doesn't feel greasy. Like after it actually soaks into your skin, it does not feel greasy at all. It gives you a really nice glow, and it just, I absolutely love this serum. It's just really beautiful. Whenever I don't use this serum during the daytime, I can absolutely tell. So I've tried many serums, and these ones right here from Drunk Elephant are the ones that just work really well with my skin. But if you guys know of any serums that really work for your skin, let me know in the comment section and down below, so that way I can also check them out. So after we add the serum, the next step that I do is my eye cream, and these two right here are the ones that I've just been rotating. So sometimes I gravitate to this one right here or this one. This one, I'm not gonna lie, I'm like a little bit bit lenient towards this one a little bit more, just because I do feel like the silkiness, it just soaks into my skin really nicely. And this one is from Drunk Elephant. This is really new and it was kindly sent to me. This one is called the Serum AF Eye Balm, and it's really nice. Drunk Elephant does have amazing products, but they are very, very pricey. I don't remember how much this one is. This one was also kindly sent to me. This one is from Saturday Skin and it does have vitamin C. That's why I like to use it during the daytime, but I do have to use a small amount for this one here, just because I feel like it's a little bit too thick. But this one from Drunk Elephant is the one that I'm going to be using. So I just use my ring fingers and apply it underneath my eyes, and I go in with patting motions. And whenever I feel like the product is actually already on the skin where I can move my fingers freely, that's what I do. I just move it like back and forth very gently, and then I start patting it into place. And whatever is left on my fingers, I will add it to my upper lip, just because I do feel, and I heard it somewhere sometime many years ago, that the skin on your upper lip like is really sensitive and really thin as well, just like the eye area. So this cream is definitely going to work on your upper lip. So now we're going to moisturize the rest of our skin, and these are the two moisturizers that I've been really enjoying. This one is from Glow Recipe and it is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice. It's really lightweight, absolutely beautiful on the skin. It smells really nice as well, and again, it's not too potent, it doesn't linger, and it's a really nice moisturizer for my type of skin. I don't want anything too heavy, especially if I'm going to apply makeup, or even if I don't apply makeup, I don't want anything too heavy on my skin. This one right here is from Origins, and it is the Origins Ginseng Oil Free Energizing Boosting Gel Moisturizer, and this one right here smells like oranges, really nice and citrusy. I absolutely love it. So it really depends on my mood for that day on which one I am going to pick, but these two are like the same consistency, jelly consistency, really lightweight, again on the skin for the everyday, during the day kind of moisturizer. So I am going to use the Glow Recipe one, and I start in the outer part of my face and bring it in and just spread it out to my forehead. And bring it down to my neck. So the last step is adding some sunscreen on my skin, and this one is the one that I've been gravitating to, really using a lot lately, and I absolutely love it. It is the Glow Screen SPF 40 from Supergoop, and it does have a little tint. So this is how much I apply. I rub it on my hands and I go for it. Again, the same application, I just put it on the outer part of my face and then work myself in. So now adding just a little bit of this lip balm for my lips, and this one is from Keys. So these are all the products that I've been using during the daytime, whether I'm going to wear makeup or not. I absolutely love all of these products. I'll link everything down below in the description area just in case you guys are interested, but I absolutely love my skin. It's just been doing so well lately. It just feels really nice and healthy, like plump, and it's just been doing really good with what I've been using lately. Anyways, let's go ahead and now talk about our skincare for the nighttime. And of course, I am going to just put some makeup on, wear for the day, and I'll come back so you guys can see my super tired face later on tonight, and we can finish the skincare for the nighttime. So this video is going to be long, but I know that it's definitely going to help someone out there. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. All right guys, so I'm back again and I need to take this makeup off. It's about 11 o'clock at night and it has been a very long day. So let me just go ahead and tell you exactly what I'm going to be doing. I am going to be using the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse, and I have like almost like nothing. The packaging is not the best just because it actually splatters everywhere, but I absolutely love the way that it just melts all the makeup off of my face. And the Patrick Ta gel, it really is super difficult to remove. It feels like I have glue on my brows, and so I do definitely need like an oil base to remove it. out of my brows. So this does a really good job on taking it off. So if I am in front of the sink, I will be rinsing this off already, but I am going to just show you another product that I use, which is this little Shiseido pads, and I have been using my Laura Mercier Soothing Eye Makeup Remover. I absolutely love it. You do have to shake it just because there's like two different type of products and you do have to shake it well, and this just does such an amazing job on removing my eye makeup, and these little pads are just so soft and gentle on your eyes. Alright, so I'm going to rinse my face and I'm going to wash my face again. I usually try to use this only once a day. If anything, I just use a softer cleanser that doesn't have any kind of texture on it, and the one that I've been using is just my husband's, which is the Serum. But let's go ahead and talk about the toner that I'm going to be using, and it is called the Ole Henriksen Glow 2OH Dark Spot Toners, just because I do have some dark spots, but I don't like to use this every single day. I do feel like it's a little bit too potent, so I either go with this one or this one. So I try to rotate them and maybe just use this one 3 times a week. So I am going to take a little cotton pad, just going to put a little bit on it and just really work it into the skin. So I am going to spray my face just because I'm trying to be extra today, and I do feel like my skin needs a little extra hydration. So I love this so much. Now for serum, I am going to be using this one right here, which is from Drunk Elephant. It is the T.L.C Framboos Glycolic Night Serum, and let me tell you, I have purchased so many of these serums. I know that it's pricey, but it just works so amazing for my skin. I do see a difference the minute that I stop using it. My skin absolutely misses it, and I can tell the difference on my skin, the way that everything else applies on top of it, like my moisturizer and anything like that. If I am not using this serum, I can tell. My skin can tell. My skin is definitely letting me know that it's missing something. So this serum is absolutely beautiful and I love it. It's just something that I know that just works really well for my skin. So for eye cream, I go back with the Drunk Elephant that we used earlier today. I apply this much with my ring fingers and I really just work it into my eyes. This eye cream is really beautiful during the day, for nighttime. So I do want to be quite frank with you guys. I am not getting paid to do this video. I know that I am using a lot of Drunk Elephant products, and it's because I have been using them for such a very long time. Except for the eye cream, it is new to me. They kindly send it to me, but I have been purchasing a Drunk Elephant for a very long time, and I just love their products. So just know that I am not getting paid. I wish I wish I was getting paid to do this video, but I am not, of course, and I just absolutely love all of the Drunk Elephant products. They just work really well with my skin, and that's just something that I have like noticed because of how many skincare products I've used in the past, and I can tell right away when a product is going to work for me and when a product is not going to work for me. So just like the Glow Recipe products, I have been purchasing them myself. I absolutely love it. So if you guys have like a skincare brand that you guys want me to try, of course I can do that for you guys. If you guys have a recommendation for another eye cream that you guys absolutely love and adore, please let me know in the comment section. I am always looking for the best eye cream. For me, I don't have any dryness or anything like that. It's not oily. It's pretty normal, but I do like to really keep my under eyes nice and hydrated, but I don't want anything too heavy. I don't want anything that is going to be too greasy. I just want it to be like the perfect consistency. So if you guys have something like that, that you guys can recommend, definitely let me know down below. I would love to try new products for skincare, just like I do for makeup. Skincare is definitely something that I really enjoy. All right, so for my cream, I'm going to use these two right here, just because, like I've mentioned, I do feel like my skin needs an extra boost of hydration right now, just because it is that time of the month and your girl needs all the help. So I am going to pump this much, the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide cream, and I am going to add whatever is left from this Marula oil that I absolutely love. Like, there's nothing in there, like nothing. Yep, there's like barely anything in there. Let me see, please. There it is, a couple of drops. Like, I've used so much of that oil. It's just so good, especially when I feel like my skin is dehydrated. It needs like a little boost of extra love. That Marula oil from Drunk Elephant is the bomb, and I remember purchasing this and paying the price for it, and I'm like, wow, it better be good. And trust me, it is good. It is on my love list at Sephora. I am going to purchase it. Thankfully they did send me like little samples, so I do have like 30 days, but it is definitely not going to be enough. I am going to be repurchasing this one, the full size, just because I absolutely love it. This one is called the Virgin Marula Luxury Face Oil. It is so good, and whatever I have on my hands, I will always like apply it to my cuticles, to my hands, and just, you know, reuse the products. Really excited that I have been able to share all of my skincare products with you guys today. These are products that I absolutely 100% recommend. I will link everything down below in the description area, just in case you guys are interested. But that is it, my friends. That is it for tonight. Thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I'm tired. I need to go to sleep. Go to sleep. Get your beauty rest.